Hey guys, I'm back with another Popsugar unboxing. This month came super early, so this is the February Popsugar Must Have Box. If you're not familiar with this box, I'll put all of the information down below. I have been doing Popsugar unboxings ever since I got them many years ago now. I will put a little card in the corner here if you guys want to check the playlist out to see other Popsugar unboxing as well. So I'll go ahead and get this guy open. It is a little bit bigger than last month's box and a lot heavier as well. So I'm very intrigued to see what's in here. So let's get this open. All right guys, this looks very different. It does have the normal happiness delivered Popsugar up top here, but there is no tissue paper, where sometimes they don't put tissue in here, but it looks like everything's like compartmentalized by little boxes here. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here. There is a card sitting right on top and it has gorgeous flowers. So pretty for February. All right, so the theme this month is floral, adore, Valentine, honey, crush, and chocolate. Yay, that sounds great. There's also another little card over here and it says, "Psst, we've got news for you." And unfortunately, I just read this and it says that they're no longer going to be having monthly Popsugar boxes. That is so disappointing. I mean, it does say that they will be switching over to a quarterly box, so every 3 months. So this is going to be my last box until it says April, and that will cost $75 plus tax. I guess it will save us a little bit of money since the regular Popsugar box is $39.95 a month. I am a little concerned on how many products they'll put in the box for $75. I'm not big on the limited edition boxes because I don't really want like 5 items that are big luxury brands. So we'll see how that goes. I suppose what I will probably do is cancel and then possibly sign up again. We'll see. I may just go ahead and stay subscribed and get the April box, but right now I'm leaning towards maybe just canceling and seeing what the first box looks like. But let me know down below what you guys plan on doing. If you have the Popsugar box, if you're just going to stay subscribed and maybe see what the first box is going to be like. It possibly could be an amazing box, especially for the first quarterly box. But let's get back to the February box. So let's pull out the first box here. This one is all cardboard, so I'm not quite sure what's in here. Ooh, it says it is a candle. Well, no wonder. The box is always so much heavier whenever they include a candle. So this is from K Hall Designs and it's in the scent Peony. Oh, that is lovely. That is exactly what the flower is on the front of the card here. So I love that. Let's go ahead and see what the card says about this. Enjoy the smell of flowers this month with this delicate and serene smelling candle. It's made with 100% natural soy and will burn for up to 60 hours to fill your home with the scent of peaceful peony. And this retails for $26. Oh, it smells so good. And peony has become one of my favorite flower. I just absolutely love the way they look and the way they smell. So that is a great start to this box. All right, I really can't see anything in here since they have so many like little compartments in here. All right, let's go ahead and pull this other box out of here. No clue. I love that everything's in these little boxes, so if you don't want to keep it, it's perfect to re-gift these. You can just wrap it right on up. All right, so still no idea what this guy is. Ooh, and it is bubble wrap. So let's get this open. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how cute this is. It's actually a little vase. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this guy. I absolutely love fresh cut flowers and I really enjoy putting them around the house. So this will be really nice on one of my little mantle ledges. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. All right, let's see who this is from, the metallic silver finish looks modern on your desk and will never tarnish, chip, or break. It's also eco-friendly, made from 100% recycled material. And the suggested retail price of this is $34. I think that that is a crazy statement to say that it will never break, chip, or tarnish, but I'm not complaining. I think it's the most adorable little vase. So cute. All right, I'm gonna pull this little cardboard topper out of the way. It is hiding all the stuff in here. And guys, it looks like there's a ton of stuff in this box. I mean, it's probably because it's the last box until April. I'm gonna be so sad. I've had this box for so long, and so it's like a present to myself every month. So, all right, let's go ahead and move on. This one here just looks so adorable. So this is from Tokyo Milk. We've gotten a few things from Tokyo Milk in this box before, and I loved all of their products. This one's probably not going to be an exception. And look at how adorable this floral box is. So definitely sticking with the floral theme here. It says it is a hand cream. Oh, I love these luxurious hand creams. All right, let's see what the card says here. All right, so this is called, again, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it says Anthemosa number 84, a shea butter hand cream. Give your hands some self-love with a rich cream that will keep them soft and nourished. The light and sweet notes of jasmine and grapefruit will lift your spirits as the shea cream hydrates your hands with the help of avocado oil. And the suggested retail price of this is $22. Let's see what the actual container looks like. Oh, yeah, these are such adorable little packagings. So cute. I loved when they said it smells like grapefruit. It's one of my all-time favorite scents, so that is going to be great. I am using a hand cream right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the box until I'm ready, because it's going to be so cute to just display in the background. So yay! All right. The next thing I see in here is bubble wrapped. Now it looks like some kind of oil. I'm not quite sure if it's a hair oil or maybe a nail oil. Maybe it's a perfume. Ooh, yes, it looks like it is a perfume, guys. We haven't had an actual perfume in the Popsugar box. I don't recall an actual perfume, so this is actually very exciting. Okay, so this is called French Kiss number 15. Prepare for a night out with your sweetheart or a night in with your friends by spritzing yourself with a sweet kiss of mandarin, tuberose, gardenia, and vetiver. The beautiful bottle is adorned with the Eiffel Tower straight from the City of Love, and the suggested retail price of this is $30. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but Patty and Lily are just going crazy out there, running around and wrestling with each other, so I am so sorry. Let me go ahead and bring Patty over here. Now, it's been a long time since Patty's actually gotten in front of the camera. I know Lily's been in the camera a couple of times, but Patty needed to come say hi to everybody. She's not too thrilled about it. She's a little camera shy. All right, we'll get back to the box. So there's still a couple more things left in here. The next one is actually pretty big and actually kind of heavy. So another reason why the box is so heavy. And it looks like they might be two different boxes. Yeah, two boxes in here, and there is a card sitting right on top. Ooh, wow, this is so strange. All right, it says Popsugar Must Have with Stella Artois. So they must have teamed up with Stella, and Stella is a beer, so it looks like they might be two beer mugs. Let me pull one of these guys out. Yes. All right. Wow, look at that, guys. So two matching beer mugs. It does have a woman on the side here, some little floral fun prints. So these are adorable. These would make a really nice, like, housewarming gift set, I think. So cute, like a his and her mug. Let's go ahead and see what this actual card says here. This Valentine's Day, love is in the water. With the sale of one limited edition chalice, Stella Artois and Water.org will provide up to 5 years of clean water to someone in the developing world in countries without easy access to clean water. The responsibility of collecting water frequently falls on women and can take up to 6 hours a day. By using these chalices, you're helping improve the lives of women and their families around the world. I absolutely love that, and it looks like this is actually a special extra in the box as well. So how amazing is this extra? This is perfect, and I think I already know the perfect person to gift this to. So that is a great addition. All right, now it looks like 2 more things in here. There's also some coupon codes from Tokyo Milk, and then this must be the food item in the box. Oh yay. All right, so this is called Money on Honey Wildflower Honey Caramel, guys. Their food items are always so delicious. This is made with dark chocolate and brown rice. It says it is gluten-free, non-GMO, no trans fat, no corn syrup, no artificial colors or flavoring. That just sounds so yummy to me. All right, let's see what this card says. So these are from Droga Chocolates. You'll fall in love with these mouth-watering treats that give back. The honey caramel flavored brown rice is irresistible and coated in fair trade dark chocolate without containing any gluten or artificial colors or flavoring. And the retail price of this is $4.99. I cannot wait to give this a taste. I would try it now, but my boyfriend actually does have celiac, so anytime I get any gluten-free goodies, especially something as yummy as this, I wait and have it with him. Otherwise, they're going to be gone before he can even try them. So I am excited to give those a try. Now it also looks like there's one last thing in here, and I cannot believe this is sitting on the bottom. Thank goodness I saw it. And it looks like it's a little jewelry pouch. It is teeny tiny, so it's probably something really delicate in here. It says it's from La Sula Jewelry. Thank goodness. I was hoping that there was a jewelry item, especially in the February box. Look at how teeny tiny that is. It's just in a little Ziploc baggie. Now it looks like this is in silver. Yes. Ooh, it is a bracelet. Oh, how beautiful is that? So it's a little moon and a star. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is gorgeous. Very dainty and very delicate, like I said. So pretty. Let's see if I can get this on my wrist. A lot of times when they have these little clasps, it's hard to do yourself. All right, well that was not bad at all. And on the end of the chain there is another little heart. That is so adorable, and it doesn't feel like it is going to slip off. I do have it on the tightest chain there. I'm used to having like my bracelets sit very low, so I think that's perfect, and I do like to layer my bracelets as well. So as long as it doesn't slip off my wrist, I think that's perfect. All right, let's see what the card says here. All right, so this is called the Universal Love Bracelet. As a token of our affection, we want to gift you this celestial bracelet in your favorite metallic shade. The adjustable band includes a tiny diamond positioned at the center of the star and will make your wrists sparkle. And this retails for $39. Now, I don't see any diamond in mine, but it could be possibly like very, very tiny, I would imagine, but it is so gorgeous. Again, a very nice gift if you want to re-gift this. So pretty. So that is everything in the February Popsugar Must Have box. Guys, I cannot believe it's the last box until April. I think I may have to sign up for the April box just so I can give you guys a peek at what the quarterly boxes look like. So let me know down below what you guys think. If you're going to subscribe to the quarterly box, I'd love to hear that as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.